Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution. Hello, in this video I will show you all the HP startup keys. So let's get started. System information, keep tapping the F1 key. System diagnostics, keep tapping the F2 key. Third party option ROM management, keep tapping F3 key. Start Intel CIRA, keep tapping F4 key. ME setup, keep tapping F6 key. Boot menu, keep tapping the F9 key. BIOS setup, keep tapping the F10 key. System restore, keep tapping the F11 key. Network PXE boot, keep tapping the F12 key.